Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys my new favorite product. This is from the brand called KISS. This is their FALSCARA kit. It's empty right now because I have all of the content here in front of me. I'm going to show you how I got these lashes to work and give you my thoughts on whether or not I think this is a great dupe for the Lashify kit. So if you're interested to see me review this product right here, then please keep watching. Here's the thing. I am super excited to share this with you guys because I actually already own a Lashify kit. While I do enjoy using this and it really does create beautiful eyelash looks, it's something that is so difficult to maintain because the refills for the lashes are rather expensive. Just the upkeep of this kit and always having your supplies can run a high tab. I absolutely love finding dupes. Anything I can save a buck on and get similar or the same results is truly like, that's my jam. This kit right here, now I've already gone in and used this. I really wanted to test it out and kind of just formulate my own thoughts and opinions by myself, not in front of a camera. So I've already used the starter lashes that were in here. It comes with this right here, and I'm just gonna pop it out. This is the formula you need to adhere the lashes to your natural lashes. It has the seal on one side, which is what you apply after the lashes are adhered. And then it has the bond, which is what you apply before you use the lashes. Here is the wand. It's like a little tweezers, but the end looks like this. And this is what you're gonna use to apply the lashes under your lashes. The Lashify kit is pretty much exactly the same as the KISS brand, except this comes with a nice case and it does have a nice big mirror. But you do get a double-sided bond. So on one side you have clear and the other side you have black, and then you have a separate crystal glass sealant. Here is what the lashes look like from Lashify. They are super realistic. I do love Lashify, I have to be honest. But like I said, if I can find a cheaper alternative, I'm definitely excited to do that because these are rather pricey. While Lashify has a ton of different lengths and styles of lashes for you to choose from, the KISS brand does have 3 options. The starter kit does come with the lengthening lashes, and then they also have volumizing and lifting. I'm going to be showing you the lifting ones today. I did like the lengthening, but I maybe felt like they were a little bit too long. I'm hoping these have more of a stronger curl to them so that they sort of lift rather than stick outward. Let's talk about the cost. So the starter kit is $19.99. You get everything you need. You won't have to buy this again for a long time. And then the lash refills are $6.99 a piece. The bond and seal is $10. The applicator is $5.99. And then they also have an eyelash remover. It's currently out of stock on their website. That costs $6.50. You can get all of these things at CVS, Rite Aid, KISS website, Ulta. There are many places that you can pick these up. You could probably find them on Amazon too. I didn't check, but they are much more accessible than the Lashify. Lashify, I'm pretty sure you can only get on their website. I love the KISS brand. I have been using their press-on nails and their strip lashes for a very long time. So they're a brand that I trust. They can come in and pretty much duplicate anything that's out there on the market. And they compete really well because they offer it to us at an affordable price. And like I said, it's accessible. You can find their brand in any drugstore, which I love. Just so nice to have something that's comparable to Lashify, which is very, very pricey. And I don't know if anyone's noticed this. Like, I follow Lashify on social media, and one of the things that kind of bothers me about them is they kind of jam everything down your throat. Like, I've noticed that if anybody comments on their post and says, oh, this isn't working for me, you know, this didn't hold up, my lashes didn't stay on as long as whoever responds and runs their social media has a habit of like getting in these people's faces online, and it just drives me insane. They're so aggressive, and it's like, if you're not doing it right, then you weren't listening to what they were saying, and it's just kind of like this weird aggression online that I just find to be such a turnoff. And they're very much like, if you are having any issues, it's because of something you're doing, not because of the product itself. So it's just something that turns me off about their brand. I wanted to bring you guys up super close so I can show you this process. The first thing you're going to do is open the bond side of this here. The wand is super tiny, which is nice. And I'm just going to apply it. I like to really apply it mainly to the root. And the directions do say a little bit goes a long way. You'll feel right away the bond starts to get sticky on your lashes. Now I'm gonna go in using this little applicator here, and you're just gonna go ahead and just pull the lashes right out of the holder here. It's super easy to do. They just kind of wiggle right out. And then a trick that I like to use, which is something that I have always done using my Lashify lashes, is I take the bond and I just try to scrape a little bit off, and I just apply a little bit extra at the base. And then you're just going to grab them right like this so that they're curved upward. I like to start on the outer corner and apply it as close to the root as possible. Don't get discouraged if the lash sticks to the applicator. It just means you probably got some extra bond on there, and it's okay. You can just wipe it off and try again. That's probably the most frustrating part about it. Okay, see, there it is. It's on. And you're gonna go in and just kind of clamp it, right? And that's it. The lash is on. Already, what a difference. Now if you feel like they're not secure enough or you want to add a little more bond, there's nothing wrong with that. You can. And I'll just go back and maybe wiggle it here just to make sure it has a really snug hold. If you've never used these before, it will feel a little bit awkward, but you can do it. It's not difficult at all. Practice makes perfect. I'm gonna apply a little bit more bond before I add the next lash. I'm gonna go in just like I did last time. Pull it out. You can see it's there. See? Then you're going to want to get as close to the root as possible, like I said. Okay, second one's on. Okay, so now that they are all applied, I am going to go over top with the seal. This is formulated with vitamin E. I believe that is to help strengthen your natural lashes. You can see how bomb they look. And I just kind of dab this on and just make sure you try to apply it to where all of the bond was so that you don't have any stickiness. Alright, so this is what one side looks like complete. Look at the huge difference you can see. I'm going to apply the lashes to this eye off camera. I'll be right back. Here are the lashes all complete. You guys can see how natural they look. Aside from the fact that obviously they're longer than my natural lashes, I just think they look so nice. And the best part about the individual clusters is that you can put them wherever you want. If you don't want them on your inner corner, you don't have to put them there. And they're so much easier to maneuver, I feel like, than strip lashes. Trying to put lashes over top is just something I never really found to be easy. But these, you just follow your natural lash line, apply them as close as possible, and this is the result you end up with. I'm gonna look down so you guys can see, like, look how good they look from the top angle and from straight on. Another thing I did want to mention was the fact that I'm not wearing any makeup in this video, because I wanted you guys to see how good it looks even with no makeup. Like, that's my thing about lash extensions, is I can still go out the door wearing no makeup and feel beautiful. Okay, that's kind of like not a positive message to send, but it's just me being honest. I feel the best when my lashes are done, and it just sort of wakens up my face and makes me look awake and not tired. Like, you know, when you walk out of the house with no makeup on and people say, "Are you okay? You look tired. Are you sick?" And it's just like you want to... This will eliminate that from happening. So, here they are. Thank you, KISS, for coming out with these dupes for Lashify. These are perfect. I love them so much, and I'm happy to share them with you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Before you guys go, please hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell if you're interested. That way you will never not know when I'm uploading a new video. You'll always get that little notification bell. And comment. Let me know what you guys thought of my review. Have you tried these yet? Do you prefer strip lashes? And also, have you ever tried Lashify? Let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye guys.